All right, so I call this little cocktail Winter is Rumming. And yeah, winter's gonna be here soon. I don't know where the snow's at, but there is a chill in the air. So this is a rum-based drink. So we've got some plantation rum, the artisanal rum that is gonna keep us warm in just a few minutes. I'm gonna add 2 ounces of the plantation rum and maybe a 1/4 ounce of snot. No, not actually. I'm not going to do that. That's not very artisanal, quite frankly. But we're going to add 1 ounce of that. And this is also going to have some Kahlúa. So this is a rum and coffee liqueur. All right. So these flavors you can see are going to go real well together. So I'm adding 1 ounce of each. Okay. And so if you're not careful, if that's a little bit sweet for you, you don't have to add that much Kahlúa. It's a little bit of a strong flavor, so no worries if you want to change that a little. Now I like a little smokiness to my cocktail, so I'm going to add some Strongwater walnut bitters. Also keeping it local. Make these right in Colorado. All right, so we've got the bitters, we've got the Kahlúa, we've got the rum, and you know what? We're keeping it local. I'm going to add a little nip of other brown stuff, some more Breckenridge right in there. But that's not all, guys. For this drink, the topping involves a nice bourbon and bitters cream. So I'm going to add in another shaker about a 1/4 ounce of that bourbon. I'm going to add a little bit more of that walnut bitters. But since this is tis the season, you know, for some creamy stuff, I'm going to add some heavy cream here. All right. And I'm not adding any ice to this. Okay. This is what's called a dry shake, because there's no ice. And so here's the flair. There's some flair in the air. And so we're going for a whipped cream consistency. And then we set that aside and drop some of our utensils on the ground, because it's, you know, Mother Nature will clean up for me eventually. So now we add some ice. You know what? I'm just gonna dig right in there. Boom, boom. We're gonna add some ice. And we've already got some fresh ice in this little tall boy. And so now we shake. Here we go. All right. And so we are gonna strain this over clean ice. There we are. But for our garnish here, we've got that bourbon bitters cream that we put on top. Oh yes. But that's not all. If you happen to have some cinnamon handy, you can add a little bit of that on there too. Little gourmet in Mother Nature. And if this doesn't keep you warm, well, I don't know what will.